open descending thoracic and thoracoabdominal aortic aneurysm repairs have significant morbidity and mortality. Endovascular techniques are associated with lower morbidity and mortality in suitable patients, revolutionizing the treatment paradigm. This study characterized contemporary trends and outcomes related to these procedures using records from the Society of Thoracic Surgeons Adult Cardiac Surgery database between July 2017 and June 2022. Data were obtained via the Participant User File Research Program, which allows analysis of national-scale, de-identified STS data at investigators' institutions. Ascending and arch aneurysms, juxtarenal or infrarenal aneurysms, hybrid procedures, cases of aortic infection or trauma, and records with critical missing data were excluded. Importantly, procedures performed by vascular surgeons were not captured. For descending thoracic aortic aneurysms, most procedures consisted of endovascular repair, with an increasing proportion of endovascular interventions over time. For thoracoabdominal aortic aneurysms, most procedures were open repairs, with a stable proportion of endovascular repairs over time. Patients who had open repair were more likely to have had prior aortic interventions, genetic aortopathy, or a family history of aortopathy. For both aneurysm types, worse short-term postoperative outcomes were found to correlate more with the open repair approach. Similar findings are observed in the subgroup of patients without aortic rupture, emergent or emergent salvage status, preoperative cardiogenic shock, or preoperative unresponsive neurological status. These differences may be related to patient selection, as not all patients may be simultaneously eligible for both treatments, and detailed anatomical eligibility data were unavailable for comparison. For thoracoabdominal aortic aneurysms, higher volume centers had better outcomes for open repair. Therefore, referring high-risk patients to experienced aortic centers may help improve outcomes.